Bill, thank you. This morning, we want to talk to you about Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That's because it begins next Saturday, October 1st. And kicking things off here in the Bay Area, a huge event, a great event to benefit cancer patients and survivors. It's put on by the nonprofit Hooked on Hope. And here with us this morning, founder and director Lori Deaton, as well as Dr. Charles Cox with USF Breast Center, and a cancer survivor, Liz Diaz. Thank you all for being with us. Lori, I want to start with you. Tell me about Hooked on Hope.
Hooked on Hope is a local nonprofit organization that raises funds for the USF Breast Health Center through an annual fishing tournament and several other events throughout the year. Our event this year's title sponsor is the Ice Sports Forum in Brandon, and we're so thankful to have them. All funds raised through this fishing event and any other event that we do directly benefits any breast cancer patient who is either underinsured or uninsured to help purchase any post-operative necessity after a mastectomy.
And since 2009, when you guys were founded, you have raised about $250,000. All of those proceeds going to the USF Breast Health Program. Dr. Cox, I wish we could talk to you for 2 days about the amazing things you're doing. What do you use this money for?
Well, as Lori mentioned, this is used for patients who are under or uninsured, and it also helps and benefits all of our patients here in the Tampa Bay area. The Hooked on Hope funds have been utilized for post-operative garments, as she mentioned, which aren't covered by insurance in many cases. It also covers the use of some new technologies, radar detection devices that help us locate lesions within the breast, as well as a new retracting system that gives lighted retraction for complex cases.
And Liz, you are somebody who has benefited from complete strangers who donate to this, and of course, Lori and Dr. Cox. Tell me, you benefited from a procedure that Dr. Cox actually developed, but not a lot of people are talking about.
No, because you know it's kind of a sensitive topic, but through Lori, met this wonderful man, and he has perfected skin and nipple sparing. So if you're the right candidate for this, you now can have normal looking breasts, you know, which is important.
Just on the inside.
Yes, yeah, and it gives you more self-esteem. But it's something, the skin and nipple sparing procedure is something he actually created, has been doing for a while. I feel very confident that it won't come back, and I have a good look, because you know, some women, they don't discuss, do you have no nipples, do you get tattoos? You know, it's something people don't discuss, so I was really lucky to be a good candidate.
Well, we are so happy for you, and a 2-year survivor. You guys, thank you so much for being with us. We've run out of time, but we will post on our website and on Facebook coming up here in just a couple of minutes how you can get involved in the upcoming fishing tournament next weekend. You don't even have to be a fisherman. Also, breast cancer survivors, you are welcome as well. We'll be right back.